This video is to show you how to very easily clear a problem with your garbage disposal. So has this ever happened to you? You flip on the switch and you hear that noise. Okay, so that means that there is power running to the garbage disposal, but the garbage disposal has been clogged up in some way and it's locked. So what we do is we take our special tool, which looks like this, and it's most likely underneath your kitchen sink because that's where we leave them. And if you look on, you can't really look under it very easily, but underneath the garbage disposal, there is a little indentation in the center, and that spot fits perfectly with this. So I'm going to just put this in here. There we go. Okay, so it's now in that spot, and now I'm just going to crank it a couple times, and now that has loosened up, and we will now be able to turn on the garbage disposal. Now turn on the water first, and then we'll go over here. So sometimes when you do that, you also have to do the reset button. So again, if you look underneath here, you will see that there is a little red button that has an indentation around it. I'm just going to press that. That now should have power going back to it again. So let's try this a second time. We'll turn on the water. And then we'll go over here and success! Okay, so last thing to remember, sometimes when your garbage disposal isn't working, you're not hearing any sound at all. And in that case, all you have to do is go press that little red button. In all likelihood, you're going to have to go through the same process, but it means that power has been turned off. Hopefully that helps you.